I didn't drop out. So telling you not to drop out at the same time, don't try to be an A grader also if business is your real goal, because this is more real than the freaking academics. Look, our academic system is broken. Sorry, professor. It's 150 years old, made by the British. It was supposed to create factory workers who are supposed to do one thing 8 hours a day. And that's what we see. Mug the definition, vomit in the exam. If you cannot do it, you suck. If you can do it, you get into a good college, good this and good that. Do you want that life? Go right ahead. Get a 9-to-5 job. It's not for everyone. Entrepreneurs are people who don't fit in with this broken academic system. So it's totally okay to disregard it. Don't quit college, I wouldn't say that, but don't have to be the best student. Because if you're succeeding in business, a lot of times I see parents are like pulling their children from behind. It's like, no. First studies. But you know what? 19, 20, 21, 22, this is a golden period. What you do in those years decides the rest of your life. You can be a job creator, you're not a job seeker. So why worry about this broken system of education? Tell you a story of this Nigerian boy. In his village, he would get 2 hours of electricity a day. Somehow he managed internet, I don't know how. And he would learn from MIT OpenCourseWare, Stanford OpenCourseWare. And there was a competition happening in MIT. The student, this boy, he created whatever product that was going for the competition. MIT flew him into Boston and never let him go back. And all his other competitors were 19, 20-year-olds. He was an 11-year-old, sitting in Nigeria, 2 hours of electricity a day. If he could do it, we can do it. We don't need a freaking institution to tell us you are a graduate. No. Everything is online. In fact, you can know more than your professors by going online. Everything is online. Do it. Totally. Learn by doing, man. Seriously, learn by doing. Why make reports and this and that? Just make mistakes. It's totally okay. You're not going to be buried alive for making mistakes. Now is the time to make mistakes. You will learn so much from it. It's so much, 10 years more you'll have than your friends who are going for jobs.
Don't repeat the same mistake.
Don't repeat the same mistake. Learn from your mistakes. Don't repeat
the mistakes.
Commit one mistake. The fools
don't
commit
repeat
the
the
same
mistakes.
Exactly.
Even if you do, make it less. Thank you very much.